All right, welcome back. It's Freaky Wing Friday. It's also 4th of July weekend. We're hosting a massive rib eating contest on Saturday. We will be recording that. But today's Freaky Wing Friday. We got pineapple, hence the hat. Pineapple Rum Wings. Wangs. Good morning, Wade. Sold out of Sonoran dogs.
Already? Really?
27 of them. Wow, there was an order of 8.
That's laughing too much.
Nah, we haven't sold one. No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Anytime I think we have a great idea, like it's going to be a banger, this is what happens.
I thought it was going to be good, honestly.
Well, who knows? It's still it's early, but it's 11 o'clock. It's a little strange. If it's not a banger, you watch when we do brisket egg rolls. When we come back, people will be lined up out there waiting.
And we got Kellen to do them all for us now.
Yeah.
Nice.
We're gonna do that.
Yeah. Good luck. Good luck. You know how to make the Sonoran? So you got the bun. You put the bun down, and then they pick chicken, pork, or brisket.
Oh.
Yep. Put that on top. Then you're gonna put coleslaw on top. Not a whole side, but just the half of the side.
Yeah.
So what is
That's what
that?
we do on the tacos, whatever Grace puts it in.
Correct. And then pico de gallo.
Yeah.
Here. What else? That grilled pepper, which we got a few there, and I got it rest in this bag. And then sriracha mayo on top, so it looks like that beautiful masterpiece.
Down.
Was it sriracha pineapple? What are we doing? No, bourbon pineapple.
Pineapple rum.
Pineapple rum.
You're almost there.
Pineapple rum.
Pineapple rum, baby.
The flame.
Light her up. Light her up.
Pineapple Rum Wings. Pineapple hat. Fit check. Got the wing shirt. Pineapple hat. I think we're ready for the day. Bye. So beautiful. Ooh. That's beautiful dog, boss. I'm doing all right. How you doing?
You ready for tomorrow?
Ready. Ready to rock and roll. It'll be good. It'll be a fun time. Freedom Fest is always fun.
Yeah.
It's always a good time.
How did you end up from Lynchfield Park out to here?
Well, honestly, it was the only place I could afford. Everywhere else was rent for like a shithole was like $6,000 a month. Then I started looking around, nicer place, nicer area. It was like anywhere from $12,000 to $16,000 a month. And we came out here and won a barbecue contest. This place was up for sale. It was cheaper than a house, and you can physically own it. So, how we doing today?
He's recording you.
Better than you.
You don't like my hat?
No.
My hat's great. Jeff likes my hat. That's my cousin Jeff. You know Jeff, right?
No. Hi, Jeff.
Good, good. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, guys. 2.5 years.
Oh, really?
Yep, March 1st will be 3 years. Yeah, it's been good.
Yeah, top notch. Some of the best wings I've had in Arizona.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I try. I'm a wing fanatic, so smoke them. We smoke them for 4 hours at 150 degrees, and then we deep fry them to order. So.
Not over fried either.
Correct. Where we got strict protocols back there about when to pull the wings out. So a lot of people have pulled their wings off at like 165 and they're still tough. We take ours to 180. Once they hit 180, because that's the perfect temperature for the wing to be perfect.
Right, it comes off the bone.
Correct. So if you ever cook chicken wings, 180 degrees.
180.
Yes. Thank you, guys.
42.
Oh, 42? 42 Freakies? You guys want to borrow my hat or no? It's fucking hot.
I'm chilling. This is when my hair gets a
A
little
little
longer.
A
sweaty.
little longer?
Sweaty cap, boss.
Sweaty cat.
Sweaty cap.
How's the Sonorans? Doing good? I know, I saw it.
Touch those.
They look good. Pretty plates get you dates.
Yeah, it's more of a dinner object.
Okay, I think in the history of this restaurant, we have a rare phenomenon happening right now. Absolutely rare. Are you ready for this? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What is it? Who is this? Wow. Wow. It's a rare phenomenon. All right, Freaky Wing Friday's a wrap. How'd we do?
Success.
How'd we do?
It's a success.
It was a success? Was there a lot?
Oh yeah,
Was there a lot?
yeah. At least 10 dozen.
10 dozen.
120 plus.
Good job. Awesome. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.